Hello po muli sa inyong lahat at welcome po sa Thursday edition ng The Stock Market Today. June 24, 2021, ito po ang inyong lingkod, Benji Chodoro. Matatapos na naman ang buwan at malapit na naman ang July. Ako po ay isang retired bank officer na nagsimula mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. I do this report daily, which I started August of last year. And I also report the latest news on your favorite and most active stocks. If you like the content, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have stocks in mind that you want reviewed, please comment on the comment box and I will prioritize. Ang news po natin ay tungkol muli sa Jollibee at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, Thursday, June 24, 2021. Dito lamang sa The Stock Market Today. From Philstar, Jollibee to open more stores in U.S. Local fast food giant Jollibee Foods Corporation, or JFC, plans to expand its network to the U.S. to 500 stores in 5 to 7 years, its top executive said. Speaking at the U.S.-Philippines Business Dialogue, JFC President Ernesto Tamantiong said the company is targeting to put up 500 Jollibee stores across the U.S. in the next 5 to 7 years. Locally, the firm plans to open more Burger King and Panda Express outlets this year as part of the expansion of its multi-cuisine fast food chain. At present, the U.S. has the most number of JFC brands and stores outside the Philippines. Tamantiong said the company has more than 500 stores in the U.S., consisting of its flagship brand Jollibee, Chowking, Red Ribbon, Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, Smash Burger, and Tartazo, which is a partnership with renowned chef Rick Bayless. We have been successful in the U.S. because of the Filipino diaspora. We are grateful that we have a strong Filipino community in the U.S. They have been our brand ambassador for Jollibee through word of mouth, and because of that, they are able to convince local mainstream markets to visit our stores and enjoy our products. The firm's expansion plans are in line with its aim to become part of the world's top 5 restaurant companies in the world. The company has over 5,800 stores across 16 brands in 33 countries. Now, may I share with you the commentary of Bidyo Nomura? Ang sabi niya, the U.S. expansion is in line with JFC's long-term goal of having a 50-50 revenue stream from its Philippine and foreign stores, currently at 61 out of 39 as of first quarter 2021. However, we have a neutral rating on the stock due to steep valuations, 52 times full year 21 forecast, PE versus 25 times consumer peer average. Ang taas ng PE niya, no? 52 times against 25 times. So, ang target price po ni BDO Nomura for Jollibee is 172. Neutral po yung kanyang rating. Alam niyo po, yung Jollibee, 70s pa lang po yan nag-start. And ang Jollibee, hindi po yan nag-start as a burger store. Nag-start po yan as an ice cream shop, no? Kasi nauso po noon, ng mga 70s, yan yung mga ice cream house. Yun yung mga Magnolia, Presto. Meron po sila mga ice cream house. And yung pinaka-most popular kasi yung Magnolia Ice Cream House dyan sa may Aurora Boulevard. Yung malaking ice cream house, we used to go there and eat ice cream. Yun lang ang produkto. And Jollibee put up their own store and it started as an ice cream store. And I recall nung nagpunta po ako sa Jollibee, pero it was not anymore an ice cream store. Kasi when I visited the store in Cubao noong 1970, 74 yata yun, na nasa high school pa ako. 74, 75. They also serve chicken wings. Pero, ang main product nila is ice cream. Now, when I was in college, dito naman sa Santa Cruz, meron pa silang isang store. Jollibee na yung pangalan nila. Nagsaserve na sila ng burgers. Mga 1976, 77 po yun. Pero, may ice cream pa rin sila. Until it evolved to what we have now as a fast food giant in the Philippines. Okay, so that's our news for the day. Jollibee and a bit of history on Jollibee 2. So let's now take a look at what happened to the Philippine Stock Exchange Index. Okay, the PSE index declined by 32.41 points. That's 0.47%. And if we'll take a look at the market summary, 109 companies or 100 companies declined, 97 advanced, while 52 remained unchanged. The all-share index declined by 0.09%, while the holding companies, mining, properties, and services also were in the red, led by mining at 1.21%. However, the financials and the industrials registered an increase in their sectoral index or indices. So we'll be reviewing the top 10, but before I do that, let me acknowledge the comment of Vincent Barnachea. Ang sabi niya, thank you po so much for the good review today. That was yesterday, no? Sir Benji, I learned a lot. So thank you also, Edward Vincent, for your support of this channel. And comments like those encourages me to improve more on my technical analysis and my presentation. So thank you very much. And I hope to hit 500 subscribers by the time I reach my 1-year anniversary. So panalangin po natin yan. So we'll be reviewing MWC, MONDE, ACEN, ALI, BDO, GTGAP, BPI, TEL, AC, and Metro Pacific. So let's now go to the first, which is MWC. Naku, tuloy-tuloy pagtaas ni MWC. Oh. So tumuloy siya with volume, and this is a breakout. So this is the highest since after a long while. So highest to since December 2019. So tagal na yun, almost 2 years na. So this is a breakout, and this is already an all-time high of 52-week high of 1830. So bullish po ang stock, and it is RSI is already 80 or overbought. But if we look at the DMI or Directional Movement Index, nasa 46 po siya, meaning the direction, there is a bullish trend on the stock. So it doesn't really matter if the RSI is overbought dahil merong definite trend ang stock. So, ang masasabi ko lang dito is that can we set, let's see if I can set the resistance level based on a 1-week chart. So, based on a 1-week chart, actually, resistance level na po ito, but the next one based on a 1 week would be here at 2020. Now, when I talk of support and resistance, these are not exact points, but these are areas. So, napaka-bullish po ni Manila Water, probably because of the dynamic ownership, yung new ownership niya, led by Mr. Razon. So, after MWC, let's go to Monde. Do we have enough? Naku, nag-surge si Monde, oh. And wala pa tayong masasabi dito except that there is a support forming here. Yan po, 1470, and another support po here, 1420 to 1430 po. So dalawa po yung support na nakikita ko dahil ito ay all-time high. Yan, 1560 po na-register today. So that's for MONDE and ACEN. Okay, ACEN, nag-profit taking siya, but it is still bullish. You notice the 20-day exponential moving, it is still below the candlestick. And if it reaches this, which is the support level, then we may see a bounce here. In the meantime, the RSI is bullish at 60. So nakikita nyo po yung long term na yan, yung 100-day, ay slightly up, no? Meaning meron po siyang long term trend based on the 100-day and based on the 20 and the 50-day exponential moving, ay bullish pa rin po ang stock. Then after the ACEN, Ali. Okay, Ali is had a profit-taking day today, but since our indicators are still under the candlestick, it is still bullish. So it's just consolidating at this level, and if we will be drawing a Darvas box on a short-term basis, dito lang po siya naglalaro. Yan po, short-term lang po ito ha. So yung upper border niya, which will form a resistance, is at 38.35, while the lower support would be at 35.95 to 35 or 36. So support and resistance po, areas po yan, hindi po yan exact points. So after Ali, BDO. Tumaas kaya si BDO? Uy, doji lang siya. So just moving sideways, but the stock is still bullish. RSI is bullish at 60. And yung sinasabi ko nga, yung next resistance level nasa 126, ano? And there is yung support level niya is nandito po sa 113 to 114 yung current support level niya. Then after BDO, GTGAP. Okay, GTGAP had a surge today. Would this be a breakout? Yes, probably a breakout kasi meron siyang volume, and this is the highest in a long while. So this is the highest since December 2020. So mga 6-7 months. 7 months before, no? Yan po yung highest level ni GTGAP, and we are looking at a resistance level which is nearest would be here at 656 to 660 yung nearest support level po ni GTGAP. Then after GTGAP, BPI. Naku, 88.60 na po si BPI, and it is still moving upwards with RSI at 64. So nakikita niyo po yung direction po ng ating moving average line, ano? Yung 20-day, yung short term po natin, 50 and 100 are right under the candlestick. Pero kung idodraw po natin yung a parallel channel, it follows the channel of the 20-day exponential eh. Yan po, oh. Yung support level is the 20-day exponential moving average. So this is already the highest since November 2020. So almost 9 months already, no? This is already resistance level actually. Yan po yung resistance level niya. And it follows this path or channel. Based on fundamentals, 92 po yung estimated price ni BPI. So after BPI would be TEL. Okay, TEL fell 1 peso. So not much. Nagko-consolidate lang po siya dito sa baba. Yan po yung current support level at 1260 to 1270 po. Yung current support level. And there's another one lower, would be here at 1240. Mga 1240 po yung next support level after 1260. And it is just a negative, what you call, bearish to sideways, as the RSI is at 44. Pero tingnan nyo po, no? Malaki po yung potential ng stock. And undervalued po. Kasi ang tunay na presyo niyan is 1,600, 1,600 yung tunay na presyo ni TEL. Yung nearest resistance niya would be here at 1,300, 1,330. Yun po yung nearest resistance ni TEL. And then, Ayala Corporation. Nag-profit taking si Ayala Corporation, moving sideways, pero bullish pa po yung stock as the RSI is at 53. Nearest resistance would be here at 830, while the nearest support would be nandito po sa area to. Yan. 790 to 800. Actually, support area na po ito. And then, finally, we have MPI. MPI, bumagsak ngayon, pero the stock is grossly undervalued. So, engulfing red candlestick po ito, naging sideways to bearish po from bullish si MPI. Pero, based on fundamentals, napakaganda po ng stock na ito. So, investors are not yet picking the stock, ano? But, ang tunay na presyo po niyan is 6 pesos and 60 centavos based on fundamentals. So, yan po yung nakikita kong resistance level at 416, and the lowest resistance would be at 363. Yan po yung resistance support level rather of MPI. Pero meron pong another support dito nakikita. Actually, support level na po ito yung 392. Yung next support niya is 363. Okay. So, yan po ang ating report sa stock market. Thursday, June 24, 2021. Ito po si Benji Chodoro, nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtangkilik. God bless and bye for now.